Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about what is the importance of awareness about food and how we can do it. Many times even if we want to become health conscious, then big burden comes on head like okay, health conscious, but what to eat, what not to eat, because sometimes suddenly awareness comes like okay, I need to be health conscious. Either you visit to some hospital or if some of your friend gets sick, then this happens like suddenly we realize like it's very important to eat consciously. Otherwise we just think like eat and enjoy. But if you pay attention to our ancient sciences, a lot of importance has been given to what to eat, when to eat, how to eat, and this is Ayurveda is all about. The most simplest thing of eating awareness is connect yourself with the cycles of nature. This is the first step, and this everybody can do, even the student who is studying, the person who is doing job, who is a person who is taking care of home, who is staying at home, old person, retired person, anybody, youth, anybody can do. This is a very simple tip, like tune yourself with cycles of nature. Now what does this tuning mean? Cycles of nature means what? Like in a day there are 24 hours and in a specific time sun rises and on specific time sun goes down, right? So try to wake up with the rising sun. This is first thing. Take these golden sun rays on your body. This is second thing. Then go for some walk, very simple walk in the nature where trees are, where parks are, and just in silence, not in discussions or talking, just in silence, just be with yourself. Do your meditations empty stomach, or if you want to do exercise, do that. After that, take shower, give some time to yoga. After that, have your morning breakfast. That should be healthy. That means it should be big bowl of fruits, some sprouts and freshly cooked organic food, and try to consume it within 1 hour of cooking. After that, go for a walk. Go for a walk for 20 minutes and do your day-to-day work, whatever work you want to do. During afternoons, again have some salads and some lunch if you are taking lunch. If you are not taking lunch, then take some fruits and salads. In the evening, try to have your dinners early. Anything, whatever you are eating, try to consume it with the sunset or half an hour after sunset. And just this much if you will do, you will see a lot of difference in your life. It is not like conscious living or healthy habits are something very difficult. These are very simple, and these, if you pay attention, they are like so quick. These things which I have told you, even if you start doing these things, you will see a major difference in your life and you will see yourself more healthy, more energetic and more happy. Now the question comes, these animals eat everything, why? And human is also human also belongs to animal kingdom, then why we should be conscious? But if you pay attention to animals also, if some animal is, especially four-legged animals, if he is herbivores and he eats grass, or he is not a meat eater, or he is herbivorous, then what he will do, he will also eat with the rising sun, and during the day he will keep grazing, maybe because they have different digestive systems than us. But at night, once sunset, if the animal is full stomach, he will not eat food. He will just rest. He will not eat food. Similar is the case with dogs. If you pay attention to dogs, if they have bad stomach, if you clearly observe them, and if your dog is not very pampered and if it is freely living, not tied with rope, if you will pay attention to the dog also, and if he is eating whatever he wants, if his stomach is upset, especially these street dogs, if his stomach is upset, he will never eat food that day. He will give rest to his stomach and he will eat some blades of grass that day. So it is not like we or only human need to be conscious. Even these animals, If they are fully grown, they are also connecting themselves with the law of nature, and they also try to sleep at night. They also enjoy sun when sun comes up. The birds start chirping, and in the evening they also sleep like human beings. So we need to learn these small things from nature, that definitely they don't have doctors, they don't have medicines, but they have natural things. They are focusing on their lifestyle, they are focusing on their diet, diet in the sense like they eat freshly organic food. That means even insects, if they are eating it fresh, not packed. So this keeps them very happy, very beautiful. It is not some birds don't have diseases, they do have, but most of the times you don't see like their bird hospital like human has, and these kind of things I am trying to say. Because if we connect ourselves with nature, it will give our body a cycle, a discipline, and that is very needed if we want to keep ourselves away from chronic ailments. Believe me, I also studied in college and everywhere, and that time I was not so aware, and I also went through a lot of diseases. So I feel like if somebody is listening to me who is very young, who is studying in colleges and everywhere, and if he also get this awareness from this video, like it's very important to eat consciously because it generates health, happiness, and once you achieve your goals, whatever your goals in your life are, you need to have a good body to enjoy your success. This is the most important thing. So it's very important that we put our body into discipline. So that means we should not enjoy and go and eat junk sometime or party. No, you can. Sometimes it is good to go, sometimes it's good to have friends, sometimes it's good to go for movie, but daily movies you will not go, right? Daily outside you will not go. It is what I am talking, when I am talking about Ayurveda, I am talking about our regular life. What is you are going to office, coming back home, eating regular homemade food. This kind of life I am talking about. Once or twice or thrice hangouts are very common, and it's good. It's good for friends, it's good for family. So Ayurveda doesn't mean stop hanging out with friends and family. After this video, you also be little bit willing to focus on diet and lifestyle and exercise, so that your body will remain healthy for long, and that will be helpful to achieve your goals, to achieve your success in life. So best wishes for all your projects, and that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write your questions on the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.